The day I broke my rules was the day I almost lost everything. Every morning, it's the same ritual. Alarm at 5 a.m., a quick workout, a strong coffee, and then the charts. Today felt different, though. There was an extra buzz, a hum of anticipation. I'd been on a winning streak, a solid run of disciplined trades, and frankly, I felt invincible. The market was opening soon, and I could already feel the energy building. My strategy was clear, my entry points defined, my risk parameters set. I was ready, or so I thought. The pre-market data flashed across my screens, a sea of green and red. My target stock was showing early strength, a promising sign. My plan said to wait for confirmation, a specific candlestick pattern, a clear break of resistance. But today, that little voice, the one that whispers, "You know better, you can anticipate this," grew louder. It was a feeling, a gut instinct, a surge of overconfidence. This is it, I told myself. It's going to explode. If I wait, I'll miss the move. The fear of missing out, the dreaded FOMO, was a powerful current pulling me in. My finger hovered over the buy button. The confirmation wasn't there, not yet, but the momentum felt undeniable. I saw others piling in, the volume spiking. "Don't be a chicken," my mind urged. "You got this. Trust your instincts." And just like that, I clicked. I entered the trade, a full position, without waiting for my predefined signal. The price immediately popped a few points. A rush of adrenaline, a smug satisfaction. "See? I knew it," I thought, patting myself on the back. "My intuition is sharp today." But then the momentum stalled. The green candles started to shrink. A red one appeared, small at first, then growing. My heart began to pound. The initial pop was fading. The price dipped below my entry. Just a little, I told myself, a temporary pullback. It'll bounce. It has to. But the screens, once a source of confident predictions, now felt like a ticking clock. The pressure was building, a cold knot forming in my stomach. This wasn't part of the plan. This wasn't how it was supposed to go. And the day had only just begun.
The screen flickers, a sea of red engulfing my carefully placed green. My heart rate picks up, a frantic drum against my ribs. This can't be happening, not again. I stare at the chart, willing it to turn, to just reverse. Just a small bounce, that's all I need. My initial confidence, that surge of certainty when I entered the trade, is rapidly eroding, replaced by a cold knot of dread in my stomach. The numbers on the screen mock me, each tick down a direct hit to my gut. I can feel the sweat beating on my forehead, my grip tightening on the mouse until my knuckles are white. This was supposed to be the one, the perfect setup, all the indicators aligned. What did I miss? What fatal flaw did I overlook? The market doesn't care about my analysis, my hopes, or my rent. It just keeps grinding lower, taking a piece of me with every point. My breathing is shallow, ragged. I try to rationalize, to find a reason, any reason why this isn't a complete disaster. "It's just a temporary pullback," I whisper to the empty room, but even I don't believe it. The fear is a living thing now, crawling up my throat, threatening to choke me. Doubt whispers insidious questions. Are you even good at this? Should you just quit? What if you lose everything? My finger hovers over the close button, a desperate plea for sanity, for an end to the bleeding. But then, a flicker of stubbornness, a defiant refusal to admit defeat. No, not yet. It has to turn. It always does. I tell myself it's just a test, a shakeout before the real move. But the pain is real, the loss is accumulating, a relentless tide washing away my capital, my confidence, my peace of mind. The screen is a blur of red, a stark, undeniable truth. My eyes burn, unfocused. The hope I clung to moments ago feels like a cruel joke. This isn't a test. This isn't a shakeout. This is a mistake. A serious, undeniable, catastrophic mistake.
So we are again at the precipice. The market has moved against us. The numbers on the screen are a stark reminder of a decision gone awry. This isn't about blaming the market. It's about facing the truth of our own choices. The temptation to hold on, to hope for a reversal, is immense. But hope isn't a strategy, and justification won't save your capital. This is the moment where true trading discipline is forged, not in victory, but in defeat. With a deep breath, I make the call. The trade is closed. The loss is real, tangible. It stings. But in that sting, there's also a strange sense of liberation. The emotional weight is gone. This isn't failure, it's tuition. It's a lesson paid for. And now, it's time to learn.
I review the charts, re-examine my entry and exit criteria. Where did I deviate? Was it impatience? Overconfidence? A failure to respect my own risk parameters? This reflection isn't about regret, but about building a stronger, more resilient trading framework. Every trade, win or lose, is a data point to refine the process. And here's the profound truth. Discipline and risk management aren't just important, they are the bedrock of sustainable trading. Chasing profits, letting greed dictate your moves, is a path to ruin. The real game isn't about hitting home runs. It's about consistently protecting your capital and managing your downside. So let this be the unwavering rule, the guiding star in your trading journey. Protect your capital first. Profits come later. This isn't just advice, it's a survival mantra. Without capital, there are no more trades, no more opportunities. This lesson is simple yet incredibly powerful. Your ability to manage risk and stick to your rules will determine your longevity and success far more than any single winning trade. If you value discipline in your trading, please hit that like button. And if you truly follow your trading rules, comment discipline below. Let's build a community committed to smart, sustainable trading.